You are welcome to learnarabiceasily.com. Download our videos to beautify your home with Arabic and Islamic knowledge.
Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome to grammar class. Today our topic is going to be identification of verb. Alamatul fa'il. Let's get started. So we're going to be looking at ta'riful fa'il, that is the definition of a verb, and the second is alamatul fa'il, that is the identification or the signs of verb. Let's get started. So we need to define what a verb is. هو لفظ يدل على معنى مرتبط بزمان. It is a word that points to the meaning that has relationship with time. So the key word here is مرتبط بزمان. It has a relationship with time. So that's why we have the present, the future, and the past verb. Now let's look at alamatul fa'il, the signs or the identification of a verb. The first is sin al-tanfis. Sin al-tanfis means the sin of future. The sin of future. When I say adhabu, it means I am going or I will go. But when we add this sin before the present verb, it makes the verb to be the future verb. So I say sa'adhabu means I will go. The next is sawfa tanfis. Sawfa also enters into a present verb, and sawfa also means the future. However, sawfa is farther than sin. That is why we say shall for sawfa. For example, sawfa ta'lamuna, you shall all know. The next sign is ta'u ta'anithi as-sakina. It means the ta of femininity that has sukun, and this ta is given to the end of a past verb. For example, you say ضربت, she beat. كتبت, she wrote. Another sign, or the fourth sign, is قد. قد can enter into a verb, a past verb, and can also enter into a present verb. So let's see the qad that enters into the past and present. للتحقيق, for emphasis. So here I'm going to be given the example of the emphasis on the past verb. For example, you say قد ذهب زيد. Zaid has gone. You are making an emphasis on the going of Zaid. Qad can also means at-taqrib. At-taqrib means nearness, or to make nearer. So we hear قد قامت الصلاة. قد قامت الصلاة is said by the mu'adhin, the person calling to prayer, and it means قد قرب وقت الصلاة, the time of salat is near. It can also mean at-taqlil. At-taqlil means to make something small, or we say summarily as probability. For example, we have قد ينجح الكسلان. It means the lazy might pass. What we know of the lazy person is that a lazy person will never succeed. So we say قد ينجح الكسلان, a lazy person might succeed or might pass. So another sign of verb is adawatul jazmi, the instrument that gives jazm, and these instruments include the lam, alam, lamma, and alamma. So they enter into the present form to negate that present form. For example, you say lam yadhhab zaydun. Zayd did not go. You can see the lam enters into yadhhab and it gives sukun. So يذهب, in which the lam enters onto, is a present verb. Another is alam يذهب زيد. Did Zaid not go? Did Zaid not go? It is as if you are making an emphasis that Zaid went. So lam means did not, and alam means did it not, or did he not. So today we have learned ta'rif al-fi'l, definition of a verb, and we have learned alamat al-fi'l, the identification of a verb. Thanks so much. Shukran. We meet in the next class.